I'm Sadia Shakil, founder and CEO of Extrion. A personal concern of mine is to support women in technical professions. Ms. Glaser is committed to the same issues and is actively engaged in them.
My name is Claudia Glaser. I'm the general manager of the Glaser Group. Glaser is a family-run business. We are operating from the Black Forest. Glaser stands for Customized Hydraulic Solutions and Quality Assurance through Technical Cleanliness. My company, also in partnership with Extrion, is undergoing a change towards becoming a global player. For our customers, we want to be able to provide our services and machines worldwide. We see ourselves here as an innovation company. We had problems in connecting the USA office to the hub IT infrastructure. The project failed for several reasons, and the office was missing a solution for over half a year.
We got into conversation at a conference and I told her that Extrion realizes cloud solutions worldwide. At that time, the USA Glaser office was facing some IT-related problems. And as I talked about cloud solutions, she realized that this could be the solution for that. So we got the job to transfer the USA office in the cloud. Extrion realized quickly a cloud-based and fail-safe IT landscape independent of the locations.
This solution seemed unusual to me at first. Extrion quickly realized the entire infrastructure of Glaser US in the Microsoft Cloud. It worked so well that we continue with our locations and offer our service worldwide.
The solution, Lab Services 4.0, results from the digital transformation of Glaser. The processes in the Glaser labs can be divided into 3 steps: data collection, analysis, and report generation. Steps 2 and 3 are now executed in the Azure cloud. This means that we have made the lab analysis and the report generation scalable and completely independent of the location. I admire Ms. Glaser for her courage in being open to change and for leading a traditional family business into the future. We have a mutually trusting and appreciative cooperation, profitable for both partners. As an IT digital advisor, Extrion is always on the lookout for innovative companies with whom we can work on solutions in the long term. And Glaser benefits from our combination of process and technology know-how.
I feel very well advised by Extrion and well prepared for the future with Microsoft Innovation Cloud technology. With Extrion, we feel well equipped in IT and fit for an innovative future.